Hi, guys. This is another session in the series of Stay at Home, Be a Hero. We will try to help you go through this coronavirus lockdown so that we can break the chain and make sure that we all come out safe during this period of time. If you like this video, please do share it with your friends who are preparing for CAT and other MBA entrance examinations. Please do subscribe to this channel. You can leave your comments, feedback regarding this video and any other video on our channel, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. If you would like, please do subscribe to our courses as well. The link is available in the description. Let's get on with it. Hi, this is a set with very limited data and but multiple scenarios by the looks of it. I would suggest if you have not tried the set on your own, please pause this video, look at the PDF. The link will be available in the description of this video. Try to solve the set on your own, and once you have done this, proceed with the rest of this session. So this is a set which is on circular arrangement, and if you look at the questions, all of them have additional information. If, and the last one says which of them is not possible, which means you cannot solve this set completely. There is going to be very limited information. Looks by the looks of it itself, there's not a lot of information to work with. Okay, so let's try to figure out what exactly is required. From the initial viewing, it says there are 6 friends: Ajay, Bishwa, Chatur, Dheeraj, Imran, Faisal, A, B, C, D, E, F, from who belong to Delhi, Bombay, Calcutta, Madras, Bangalore, Pune. 6 cities, 1 from each city, not necessarily in that order. They have to be seated in a circular table, all facing the center. Okay, so let's make a circular table. Now, I am not going to assume directions as of now. I'm not going to assume direction whether 1 to 2 is left or 1 to 2 is right. Okay, we'll keep it floating as of now because there is no constraint as of now for directions. If there is requirement of any directions, we will work it out. Because there is not a lot of information, we can get away with this. Let's see how to do it. Bishwa and Chatur are sitting together. Okay, they can sit anywhere. Friends belonging to Delhi and Bombay are sitting opposite each other. Ajay and Imran are neither opposite to each other, not next to each other. Friends belonging to Pune and Bangalore are not sitting adjacent to each other. Ajay is from Delhi. Okay, so you have information about Ajay, Delhi, and Delhi, Bombay. So let's start with this. Ajay is from Delhi, so let's put Ajay, Delhi over here. Opposite Delhi is Bombay. I am writing the city in square brackets. So 2 is done, 5 is done. Okay, third stays Ajay and Imran are neither sitting opposite each other nor next to each other. So Imran cannot sit in 6, cannot sit in 2, cannot sit in 4. He can sit in either 3 or 5. Now, because we are keeping the direction floating, right, we can directly put Imran here. We can directly put Imran here without having to worry about it. So if we somehow figure out that Imran is on the right of Ajay, so 1 to 3 is right. If we somehow figure out that Imran is on the left of Ajay, then 1 to 3 is going to be left. The direction will take care of itself. We don't have to worry about multiple cases as of now. Okay, now let's see what is available. What else is available? Bishwa and Chatur are sitting together. So we know in position 2, you cannot have Bishwa, you cannot have Chatur. In position 2, you cannot have Bishwa, you cannot have Chatur. So who is left? A is seated, B and C cannot come there, E is done. So it has to be D or F. 2 has to be D or F, right? We'll figure that out later. And we know Bishwa and Chatur are together. Bishwa and Chatur are together. So they can be in 6-5, they can be in 5-4. Bishwa Chatur can be in 6-5 or 5-4. Okay, first is done. And the last statement, friends belonging to Pune and Bangalore are not sitting adjacent to each other. Pune, Bangalore are not sitting next to each other. Pune, Bangalore are not together. They cannot come together. Now, if you look at it, this Delhi and Bombay splits the cities nicely. If you put one out of Pune or Bangalore in position 6 or 5, the other one has to come in 2 or 3. They cannot come in the remaining slot out of this. So one out of Pune or Bangalore will be on the left of this. One of them will be on the right of this, depending on which direction is left or right. But they are on two halves. One of them is in 6-5. The other one will be in 2-3. They cannot be next to each other. All right. That's all we have. There's nothing much we can do about it. Let's go to the questions and try to solve them one by one. Okay, I've summarized the information. So Imran is here, Bombay, Ajay, Delhi, etc. is there. So we know Bishwa and Chatur are together. Pune and Bangalore are never together. Okay. Question number 1 is Chatur is from Pune and Imran is not from Bangalore. So Imran is not from Bangalore. Right? Chatur is from Pune. Now we know Chatur and Bishwa have to come in either 4-5 or 5-6. 4-5 or 5-6. Now, Chatur is assigned to Pune, right? So he has to come in either 5 or 6. Chatur has to come in 5 or 6, which means Pune comes on the 5-6 side. In other words, Bangalore should come on the 2-3 sides. Bangalore should come on the 2-3 side of Delhi, Bombay, right? Now, we know Bangalore, Imran cannot be from Bangalore. So 2 has to be Bangalore. Whoever is in position 2 has to be Bangalore, right? So let's see what the question says. The question says, who cannot be adjacent to the person from Bangalore? Next to Bangalore can be either Imran. So it says not adjacent, right? So this is out. Person from Calcutta. Imran can be from Calcutta. Imran can be from Madras. But Imran cannot be from Bombay, right? Next to Bangalore is Ajay and Imran. Ajay is from Delhi. Imran is not from Bangalore, but Imran is also not from Bombay. So option D will be our correct choice. Pretty straightforward once you get the basic gist of it. Second one, if Bishwa is from Bangalore, okay, and Imran is not from Pune, then how many friends are sitting between friends from Pune and Bombay? Now, we know Bishwa is from Bangalore. So just like in the previous case, where Chatur was, because Chatur is from Pune and Pune was assigned 6-5, since Bishwa is from Bangalore, Bangalore will now be assigned 6-5. One of these two has to be Bangalore, because one of these two has to be, one of these three has to be Bishwa, and Bishwa cannot be in 4 because Bishwa is already in Bangalore. So we know 6-5 is Bangalore, which means Pune will come on the other side. So this will be Pune. Now the question is, how many friends are sitting between friends from Pune and Bombay? Between Pune and Bombay, there is only one person, Imran. Answer will be 1. Question number 3. If the person from Bombay is on the immediate right of Imran, so 3 to 4 is now right. This is right. Okay, who is on the immediate left of Imran, which means who can be in position 3. Now you have to guarantee that this has to be that person. Now, who is guaranteed to be in 3? Is the person from Calcutta guaranteed to be in 3? Not necessarily. We have seen in the previous cases, you can have person from Pune, you can have person from Bangalore also, right? So it's not a guarantee that person from Calcutta will come, or a person from Madras will come, or a person from either Calcutta or Madras is going to come. There is no guarantee over there, right? That one of these two has to be, one of Calcutta or Madras has to sit in 2, right? We have made Pune sit here, we have made Bangalore sit here, right? But the third statement is definitely true. Either Dheeraj or Faisal, because we had already solved this at the very beginning. Either Dheeraj or Faisal have to be present over here. Bishwa cannot come here, Chatur cannot come here, Ajay and Imran are already seated. So we already know that it has to be Dheeraj or Faisal. Option C will be our correct choice. And the last one, which of the following is not possible? Which of the following is not possible? Bishwa is from Bombay. Imran is from Bangalore. Bishwa is from Bombay. So Chatur will come here. Imran is from Bangalore. Right. Right. It is possible, right? Pune can be here or here, and Dheeraj and Faisal, one of these two can be here. So first is pretty much possible. Let's look at the second one. Bishwa is from Madras and Chatur is from Calcutta. Bishwa is from Madras and Chatur is from Calcutta. Right. Now Bishwa is from Madras, so Bishwa cannot be 4. He has to be either 5 or 6. And Chatur is from Calcutta. That is also not available here. So he has to be 6 or 5. So between 6 or 5, one of them has to be Madras. The other one has to be Calcutta. Now what will that leave us? That will leave in 2 and 3 Bangalore and Pune. Which means Pune and Bangalore have to be seated next to each other. That violates this condition. That violates the condition that person from Pune and the person from Bangalore cannot be next to each other. Right? So this scenario is not possible. Option B is your correct choice. Right? It's a very nice set. Very little information which was given to you in order to solve this. But the key point in solving the set was basically leave the direction free. It will reduce the number of cases. It will reduce the number of things that you'll have to worry about. Just do a free flow sort of a thing. We'll worry about the direction later on because the set itself does not worry about the direction. We don't have to keep the direction as constant. We can keep the direction as floating. Once the direction is given, as it was in question number 3, we can then figure out where the other people are seated. Right? It's a brilliant set. Not difficult, it's moderate, but you should not try to make it complicated. In an exam situation, if you get the fact that you don't have to worry about directions, it should take you about 8 to 10 minutes. If you try to figure out directions, you'll be dealing with multiple cases and it will end up having you 12 to 15 minutes to solve this. That completes this particular session on Break the Chain. If you liked it, please do share it with your friends who are preparing for CAT and other MBA entrance examinations. Please do subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment on how you felt this video was. If you want, and if you have any suggestions on any other videos which we need to do during this period, please do let us know. If you would like to, do look at our courses. The link is available in the description. Till we meet again the next time, goodbye and stay safe.